Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I have my little munchkin with me. Niam, say hi. Say hi. Say hi everyone. No? He just wants to make funny faces.
No.
Yeah, you do. So today I am going to be making my blueberry loaf cake. I know many of you have been asking for the recipe. So today I thought I would go ahead and make the blueberry loaf cake. Um, it's way better than buying from the store because I know what I'm putting in it. Anything homemade is always better. Fresh berries, no preservatives, and it's way healthier for the kids. And they actually like it too. You like it?
Hey, Mama.
Yes.
I took a new car.
You want to go to Nanukar?
Nope. I tried to pick. I see picture of not a car.
Okay. Are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me make some cake?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye guys or see you later guys.
Subscribe and bye bye do.
Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you exactly what I put into the loaf. Okay, I have everything for the loaf cake, some flour, sugar, baking powder, blueberries, organic blueberries, washed and drained, some milk, 1 egg, oil, vegetable oil, and some vanilla extract. All right, so let's start off with this one here. I'm gonna put all the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients, and then we will mix them together. Okay, so let's get some flour into there. So that was 1.5 cups of flour. And then we have 1/2 cup of sugar. Two teaspoons of baking powder. Right? And then I'll just add a pinch of salt. Okay. So, and we're just gonna mix this. Just mix everything together. I like to use a whisk. This is a nice activity, a nice hobby to do with the kids. My oldest son, Summit, he loves to help me with my baking so it's a nice bonding time for us. All right. Okay, so the dry ingredients are ready. And in this bowl here, we will do some milk. Okay. That was there. We'll do 1 egg. Quarter cup vegetable oil. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's mix it up. Get that egg. Just mix it all up. Oh, it smells so good. The vanilla. So I cut back on the sugar in this recipe. I know 1/2 cup still is quite a bit, seems like quite a bit, but usually these recipes call for about 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of sugar. Now that's way too much for us, so I've cut back on that. So now we're going to take the wet ingredients and gently add them into the dry ingredients. And we're just gonna mix all of this together just until combined. You don't want to overmix. You want the cake to be nice and moist and soft. So just fold it in gently. Just fold it all in. So this is what it looks like when everything is mixed. Now the last part is to throw the blueberries in. And gently mix just until combined. Just very gently. These are some pretty big blueberries. It says organic, but they're gigantic. So once all of the blueberries have mixed right into there, what I'm going to do is take this batter and transfer it into this loaf pan. I've greased it with a little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick and it gets that nice color. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into that. All right, so the batter has been transferred to the loaf pan, and I'm just gonna stick this into the oven. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, so it's gonna bake for 60 minutes. All right. Okay, so the loaf is ready. Let's turn this off. There it is. We need to take it out. I'm doing this with one hand. Oh, there we go. Look at that beauty. Okay, so I put this in for 60 minutes or just until, well, you can put a toothpick in it. If it comes out dry, you know it's ready. So if you're not sure, you could always use a toothpick like that, right? It's clean, it's ready, it's done. Wait about 10 minutes for this to cool down, and then you can transfer it into a plate, cut it. When it's completely cool, then you can slice it and store it however you want. I usually keep it in an airtight container, right? There you have it, blueberry loaf cake. That is the end of my very first recipe vlog. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and if you've tried it out, let me know how it turned out. If you have any more recipe requests, let me know, especially baking related. If you like the video, don't forget to like as usual, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you again very soon. You can also follow me on Instagram now. I will add that link in the description box below.